I'm Renee Rails and welcome to Libation Creation. We're making the best cocktails. Now, I'm here with Rudy at the Dewberry in Charleston, South Carolina, and what are we making today?
Panic Button, kind of a refreshing take on a classic stirred boozy boulevardier. A little lemon and Baverna and cherry herring added to this drink to kind of brighten it up a bit.
Let's get to it.
Your ice, there's definitely, scientific effects. It definitely lasts longer, doesn't, dilute as quickly, but it certainly looks beautiful. And that's
I was going to
certainly
say basics, it just looks amazing.
Yeah, that's the most important part though too.
So
People like to get excited about all the other stuff, but it looks so pretty as well.
Well, you're putting some secret sauces in here. I see some Campari, I've seen some cherry juice, it looks like it.
Yeah, so it's not cherry juice, it's a classic Danish cherry liqueur called cherry herring.
All right.
And then we also have a slightly bitter element, the Baverna. Roses.
Bourbon. It seems to be getting bigger and bigger. Well, it smells delicious. Oh, that looks delicious. That is amazing. Until next time, I'm Renee Rails, and for more details, go to libationcreation.com.